Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go.
Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to Archie's Corner if you're new here. Today, we are excited to share with you our recent family outing to the Park Club and Resort. Hope you like it, so keep watching. This resort is located at Bannerghatta Road and is very close to Bannerghatta National Park. As soon as we arrived, we were greeted with a welcome drink and the manager explained the activities and other details regarding the resort.
Accordingly, you can use 6.
Okay.
If you want more then you have to buy.
Yeah. Good.
Each coupon 50 rupees.
Okay, extra if you need, right?
Yeah, it's apart from 6.
Okay.
Then standard facilities including in your package. Wave pool, rain dance timing I told you. Wave pool 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Rain dance 4 to 4:30. And rest indoor outdoor games. Nothing.
Okay.
And behind the swimming pool we have lockers.
Okay.
So lockers key if you want.
Yes.
That is for key you have to deposit 100 rupees. Once you bring the key, it is refundable.
Okay.
Same thing for equipments also, indoor outdoor equipment, anything like settle, football. For each and everything, 100 rupees deposit you have to make. Once you bring, that is 100% refundable.
Okay. Alright. Yeah.
And within 5-10 minutes, breakfast will start. From that wooden gate, just you can go inside.
Okay.
Behind on the food court, there you will get the breakfast.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, sir?
Yeah.
Alright, clear? This one you can keep it.
The package details are provided on the screen so that it will be helpful in case you are also planning to visit the resort.
Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. Yeah, I'm fucking in it. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah, baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. I said, it's Cincinnati, baby, it's Cincinnati, baby.
The resort offers a variety of activities like archery, paintball, ATV rides, etc.
Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it, right now I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Baby, I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. Say, yeah, Cincinnati, baby, Cincinnati, baby. It's 2 a.m. when we close the bar, but we're in the get-go. Next place, give me some more. I could dance with you beneath the stars, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want you. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, cause right now I'm in it. I feel kinda dizzy
resort has a small water park with wave pool, and we had so much fun playing inside water.
Nothing matters when we're way out here. Oh, yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that. And I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now I'm in it. Yeah, I'm fucking in it. I don't care about the bad shit back home. It's Cincinnati, baby, I just wanna let it go. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Maybe I don't have to know your real name. I'm just addicted to the way you take the pain away. Nothing matters when we're way out here. Yeah. Cincinnati, baby. Cincinnati, baby. I said it's Cincinnati, baby. It's Cincinnati, baby.
The timings were from 3:30 to 4 p.m. for the wave pool.
One destination unknown.
Overall, the park club and resort offers a variety of games and activities for guests to enjoy, making it the perfect destination for a fun and exciting day outing.
Taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now. In it.
That's it for today's video, and thanks for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching, and do click that subscribe button to join our YouTube family. Also, post your valuable feedback in the comment section below. I'll see you soon with another video. You guys stay safe and stay happy. Bye.
Yeah.